this lecture is related to 7 segments. 7 segments are basically 7 LEDs connected in this order. We name these LEDs A, B, C, D, E, F, and G. The connections on the left are the terminals of LEDs. If you connect these terminals to the supply, the corresponding LED will be on. This is a common terminal. It could be common anode, it could be common cathode. We are using common cathode, so we will ground this terminal, this common terminal. Okay, this is the circuit. If you turn on A will be on. If you turn B on, it will be on. If you want to write 1, you will turn on BC, and if you want to write 7, you will turn on A2. For 2, we will turn on A, B, G, E, and D. So this is a brief introduction to 7 segments. Now let's create a new folder for this section. Name it 7 segment. Now new project, 7 segments. Select the folder. Schematic default, PCB layout default. Now select the controller, 16, pick 16, and model 887. Finish. Okay, we don't need this code and we don't need PCB layout, so cross them. This is our controller. Zoom it. Now select P and search 7 segments. Okay, these are not 7 segments. These are basically ICs which drive 7 segments. We don't need them. So write 7 in digit form. Then select optoelectronics and then 7 segment. It will shortlist the search. Select a common cathode 7 segment like this one. Double click and close. Place it here and connect it to port D this way. 1 to 1, 2 to 2, 3 to 3, and select all other 7 like this one. Ground the common terminal. Take the ground from here, place it here, and connect. Okay, our circuit is complete now. Let's program it. New delete device 16F887 crystal 4 means 4 megahertz. All digital true. And output port D, as we have connected the 7 segment to port D. Now we will send bits to port D to write 0. But we will have to design it first. Draw 7 segment on paper like this. Then write their names A, B, C, D, E, F, G as we saw previously. Now let's draw a table. Now remember one thing, write it in reverse order from right to left. ABC from right to left. Okay, to write 0 we will turn off G and all other pins will be on. It will write 0. Okay, 0B1111 and save it. Name 7 segment counting. Okay, save, compile. It should write 0 on this 7 segment. Import the new hex file. Click 7 segment counting.hex. Make the frequency 4 megahertz. Okay. And yes, it is working. To write 1, we will turn on B and C and all other 0. it should write 1. And yes, it is working. Now let's see how we write 2. For this A, B, G, E and D will be on and all other off. It should write 2. 10111011. Compile. And yes, it is working too. Okay, now write all the codes like this and then write the codes here. 0, then delay ms 333. After that, code of 1, port D equals 0, B 110. Then again delay, code of 2, 101101. Okay, write all the codes up to 9 in the similar manner. Compile it, and it should write counting from 0 to 9. And yes, it is writing. Okay, if you want to repeat it from the beginning, we should keep all these lines in a loop, and then go to loop in the end. This process will be repeating forever. It will start after 9 again. This. Okay. If you liked the video, scroll down a bit, subscribe it, ring the bell. You can like the video, you can dislike it too. And if you think it will be of some help for someone other, you can share it on your Facebook, Twitter, WhatsApp, etc. Thank you.